Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable haptics and vibration in silent mode on iPhone. First you have to go to settings. Now scroll down and you will find sounds and haptics. Click on it. Now here you'll find haptics option. Now in this option you will find 4 options available, like always play. Then the second is play in silent mode, another is don't play in silent mode, and the last one is never play. Make sure you don't check this option. Make sure that never play option is always enabled in haptics option. So you can choose always play. This is the most preferable option that you can enable in your device, because for this, if you choose always play, it will vibrate or haptics in your phone whenever your phone is in silent mode or in non-silent mode. You can also select play in silent mode, that to enable the haptics in silent mode on your iPhone. But always play is most preferable. Now go back, again go back. Then from the notification section, you just need to go to the application that are refusing to enabling vibration on your phone. For example, if you are facing that your incoming call is not giving vibration on your phone, then you can go to phone. Here find your phone, and from here you'll find the sound option. Click on it. Then the first one is haptic. Click on it. Make sure if the haptics is selected in none, make sure you select on of this here, the standard haptics or the default haptics. If it's selected in none, then it means it will not vibrate when you got an incoming call or another notification from your phone. So make it default or select on of this that you like. You can also create a new vibration from here by clicking on it, but you can create a new vibration according to your needs. That's how you can enable haptics and vibration in silent mode on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.